Some Omboga people joined body with Edo Deputy Governor Oga Philip Shaibu to pay condolence visit to the area command of the Nigerian Police Force for Akoko Edo over the loss of 3 mobile policemen for one checkpoint along Igara Auchi Road. Shaibu come tok say dis kind thing wey happen to these 3 police officers pain him well, say no be wetin person dey experience at all. E come still tok say pipo wey dey help to protect lives and properties na im dis kind thing come happen to.
We are here to let you know that we are with you in this great moment.
Yes, sir.
On behalf of the governor and the government and the people of Edo State, we are with you in this moment because these officers that lost their lives, they lost their life in active duties, and it's because of us that they went out to make sure that we are able to sleep with our eyes closed. And in the course of this, they lost their lives. For us, all of us, the Nigerian Police Force, and all of us have lost gallant men. And we are all in grief, but just to say we want to just come and sympathize with you and to let you know that we are in prayers, and we pray that God grant them eternal rest, and most importantly, we also pray that God, the family they left behind, Lord, see them through. And for us that are alive and for all of you that are in the Nigerian police, we pray that God will continue to protect and guide you. Our country is going through a trial period. It's not a normal situation again, obviously. We pray from us as a government to continue to support the Nigerian police. We continue to do our own part to make sure that the safety of men and women is guaranteed. So we are just here to let you know we are with you in this moment, and that we know it's because of us that you are here, and because of us securing our area, that's how we lost these people. So we don't want you to feel alone. Just know that what you are feeling, we are all feeling it, and we are with you in this moment. And through you, we want you to also pass the message to the Commissioner and to the IG, and also to the family, that we pray that God grant them eternal rest and God give us all the fortitude to bear this irreparable loss.
Oga Shaibu come tok say Edo State government ready well to give correct support to the State Police Command, say the officers no go just kpai in vain. E come tok say Edo State government go chook eye well for Ondo and Kogi boundary with Edo State.
For us, we will continue to do all our best to provide welfare and security of government, we have to secure ourselves in the course of meeting battles like that. So once again, on behalf of all of us, government, we sympathize. We are with you. To encourage you to keep the good work on, and together we will definitely get rid and secure our land, and peace will return to our country. This is a moment of trial for not only for the police but to the entire country, and just know that I want to pray for you and support you with all the necessary equipment that we can support from the statement.
ACP Bello Ahmed, wey be the Igara area commander, come tell Edo deputy with the entourage say the 3 policemen were ambushed and kpai them at the time they won't settle down for daily duty. Bello comes to talk say 4 AK-47 na im they recover from the Tifi Jankoriko wey they do this yeye matter.
I was somewhere doing on my special assignment when the message came. It was early down when the men, that's Yamo, the Moposisi men, deployed to various divisions to protect the division, and then we have surrounding areas. Like that fateful day happened to be a market day, that the new market, you come and buy yam, so on and so forth. They now ambushed. The men went there down, early down. So you could see the scenario. It's late night, it's so dark. They didn't allow them to come out. That is the whole story. because they already lay ambush and open fire. So they didn't allow the trade to come. The one, Zaki, that was able to sneak out.
David Zira.
Zira, he opened the door with his rifle and got so kind that he's a masked man. In that mood of period, late, he dived in the bush. So what I gathered, the other one was using torchlight to get him when he aimed at his skull. To pull out. The other one, we interviewed him, I called him, the one that survived. So 4 of them, 3. Then the other one trying to take to his heel, he aimed at the knee here. That's
The heel.
the heel. The heel. This side, pull out. He can't run now. That was how the information reached us. PQ, area commanders, the opposition men. Try to see how we can locate or we can get them arrested. Because already we know he can safeguard the situation. So that we can get evidence. See, these were the people that have been, harassing the community. Most on interview, all this on those sides along Ibilo here, one policeman too was sure you got him, they parked their vehicle, entered that was how they opened fire. They know that's their station where they ambushed them to. The rest that were outside, that's how they escaped for the rest of the people and killed that one, burnt the car. So at least I believe the modus of operandi is the arm. I believe particularly the arms they needed to sell. You know, any motive, any incident, there might be motive, brain behind. If not, why aiming at policemen for their rifle? So their aim is to carry the rifle, go and sell them. They know how they sell, how much they get. But anything has its sign. For you, could you believe for someone that has diving and the one using torchlight to get him, he now aim at the head, and the other one tries to take his heel. He removed the heel there, and he went and hid inside bush. He covered himself. The other one, then he had 4 AK rifle. I have the signal DPU as son. I'll send everywhere, Abuja everywhere now. Away because those policemen who lost their life, their benefit will pay. It has to be taken care. So it's officially now, it's viral and gone everywhere. The policemen, that's how we lost them. We recovered 4 AK-47 rifle as they finished now under 3 days. I think DPU that was
Yes. Yeah.
as we shot them, they went and killed under 3. We moved them to the signal he sent. He's still with me here. The DPU has called you and said I needed to get the signal. I think this is it. From Supuigara to Compo Dobbs, that's for supporters. Copy to Compo DFA.
4 AK-47 recovered.
That's what I'm saying.
The rifles of the policemen also recovered.
I'll continue. The rifle of policemen too also recovered. To tell you, this is not secrecy, it's our normal routine job. Initiated from us, we send all these stories are there. We recover our own 4 rifle, that is, we secured them. Then recovered the hoodlums own 4.
And they were also carrying AK-47.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's that kind of rifle is automatic, prohibited rifle they are using. It's not even then gone. This local sort of. You know how they are so desperate, sophisticated, sir. So the headquarters, we took them to headquarters. One could not, maintain it. The other one is there. The investigation continues.
Now remember, say on the 6th of April 2023, 3 mobile policemen from Mopo 69 them by for one checkpoint along the Igara Auchi Road, where one carried serious injury. From Akoko Edo, Edo State, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.